I'm a researcher at the Florida Museum of Natural History, and my work is focused on the butterflies of Ecuador. We want to find out how many species of butterflies occur in Ecuador and to map their distributions and to find out some very basic information about their biology and natural history. I decided to become a scientist, or more properly a systematist, because of my interest in biological diversity, and systematists are scientists who study the diversity of life. So like many people, I find nature to be extremely beautiful, and I'm fascinated by the diversity, in cataloguing that diversity and understanding where it came from. And systematics, the science of study of diversity, helps me to do that, and it gives me opportunities for travel to exotic and beautiful countries such as Ecuador. It also allows me to spend time studying butterflies in fantastic museums such as the museum where I work, the Florida Museum of Natural History, and a very satisfying science, because it produces sort of order from this immensely chaotic life which we observe around us. And finally, systematics is an extremely interesting subject, since it relies heavily on the work of people who have come before us, historical systematists who worked back in the 1800s and even as early as the mid-1700s. And it's fascinating to look back at some of the work of these early people and some of the explorers who visited tropical regions and brought back some of the first specimens that are now in our museum collections. And so all of these reasons make the job of a museum systematist, for me, simply the best job that there is.